And I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you. Tracy. When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left you, you're throwing that in my face.
Left me.
Muslim. Yeah, I woke up on a Muslim. Muslim. Muslim.
Mom, they bring.
I am a Muslim. What's the
uniform abantu abanjene? It's like upete nomkhaba. Kubeza ukuthi ukweyisa kulapho
notshwala phezulu.
Hey, kusa
lo baba ufuna kanjani? Ufuna
Uthena.
Ufuna la lo baba.
Khuluma
Mina ngiyaqala.
uzothi uthashona blo. Isandla sinje uyabona ukuthi ukudelela kwesidudla lo.
azi ukuthi le nkuxa lezo sijwayela namhlanje.
Mase khuluma kanje isandla sinje uyabona.
Uzobuya ngokuzolala.
Wena ufuna ukushona lapha.
Hayi
Niyafana.
Ngilobolile kodwa.
Niyafana nawe lobolile. Tshela uba. Uhamba naye.
Fine. No, he's not going to stop taking. He's not going to stop.
Uthunjani?
He's not going to stop. He's not going to stop. You know, Tracy, you were at home just now. Suddenly, you see Mr. Lorenzo, I went. Oh, man love.
Did I not call you?
Say what?
Yabona ngisho njalo lento le. Umshado angeke ulungani ikhuluma isingisi. Because we debate amasiba. Did I not call you? Yeah, like into edom. Kodwa ngoba uyisho ngesingisi kube ngathi kune substance ezayo. Ukubuza uDodi. Sifunani la? Sifunani la?
And the worst part is it's the Bantu accent.
Exactly.
As well. Did I not call you?
Sifunani.
Fine, keep the girl, give me my boy.
Take the girl, give me my boy. Which is insane.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Just give me my boy. Tracy, he's sleeping because it is noise that is outside.
I'm not going to wake him up because
But you can wake him up.
you'll see him in the morning.
No.
Okay, let me say this before you get in. Let me say this. I saw some of the comments. I haven't watched this. I saw some of the comments on Twitter and some clips. To me, I don't think he said anything that I disagree with as yet.
Yeah.
Because if you... Okay, I don't know why they're fighting, but if it's not abusive towards the kids, why would you take the kids away?
Yeah, vele.
Why would you take the kids away?
Ngoba mangabe vele thina siyaxabana is fine. Like uyitshela ingane umama wakho udakiwe ubuso utshwala lala mntanami yabona.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. I think the problem here, yes, I don't think he's doing any. I've yet to.
Yeah, it hasn't been.
I've yet to indict
establish
him on
ukuthi
anything.
into wrong ayenziwe.
But into insurance, ukuthi, for some reason, this thing of us saying ukuthi just because the person gave birth to the kid, they have more rights to the kid than the guy.
Ingako mina ngithi yabona mangabe ingane izohlala nawe. Ngcono ubone ukuthi wenze njani. Because it can't be ukuthi ingane eyami when you need something from me.
Yeah.
You understand? Makuyinto ifana neindleko ukondla, now the kid is mine.
And then,
where's the father? But makufanele ahlale nami in my house. Somehow it's wrong.
Yes, but
it doesn't make sense.
But yeah, we're gonna watch more of this. But you know what I'm saying is, unless he hit the kid, there's no reason why.
What are we promoting?
No, I'm saying maybe he abused them. Let me say that he abused them.
Hey,
the difference is look abuse. Statue of Limitations
still here. But yeah. Even before that, like the idea yokuthi sizoxabana uhambe bese ngiyakugijimisa mina ngikulandele
ngemoto. No, it's fine, but what I'm saying is you can leave makuthuva ukuhamba.
That's what I'm saying. Ufuna nemzini wabantu ebusuku emlandela. Buya. Mina ngeke ngigijimise mina. Mawuhambile uhambile ayikho into engizoyenza.
That's true, except that uhambe nengane. Uhambe nengane.
Uzibona maningane.
Okay, I get you.
No. Only way I live here is under arrest. I'm not leaving. I'm within my rights. How long is your case of kidnapping? You're keeping my kids. You are willfully keeping my kids away from me. Willfully keeping my kids away from me. Look at this man today.
Shaka phethe lithi ungakholwa.
Ungakholwa.
Willfully keeping my kids. Usamtshela ngaba rights akho.
Ngiyafuna ugcela utshwala. Athi okay.
Your honor.
uyorekomenda
athi ucawudwe ingane ne-6-pack uyithatha ucawudwe inyambo ingane ne-6-pack unje
Asihambe siye police station sozilingana.
Angindawo nawe ma, angindawo wena usikhombisisa umama ungemama. Umsangano nje omama, umsangano nje. Umsangano nje omama.
Cha vele ufuna labo mama uzowabheka ngotshwala.
Whatever wena ifanele. Yeah.
Nawe lesazokwenzeka kufanele.
but that's my point ayibona le nto engishoyo why are you as a husband explaining yourself to your wife's friend angijwayele kabi I have nothing to say to you I have nothing to say to you.
You are putting yourself in a position where you'll have to argue with women, and you're already. That's why I get what you mean, but at the same time, I'm sure puzzle, kismus, puzzle.
ngaphandle kokuphuza noma ngabe kuthiwa mfana ngiphuze ngaze ngazibhoshela njengoba ngidelela kanje kunamasimba kwi-under yami angeke ngizozi-explaina kumngane wonkosikazi like who are you?
Yeah, but at some point you need to.
No.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Ngokomthetho wase-South Africa. No, man, I'm obviously joking. What I'm saying is, why am I explaining myself to my wife's friends? I don't have time for talk. I have nothing to say to you. Thula futhi.
Uyini? Ngomuzi nje ngebond.
Uyabona.
And I will not make
You guys will joke.
You already said, what did you say in front of Lisa? That I must leave you because you have another wife. I must give my kids to you. When you're throwing that in my face, the same reason that I left.
Oh, nine.
Don't want to get fully essence of the lesson I saw. Even bekhuluma lapho nomuntu
But also to the situation is messed up because ngathi kuqeda ukuthola unkosikazi wesibili. So izinga lokuba he knows his worth.
You can't have a second wife ukhuluma isilungu. Hold on. Asizwe unkosikazi uthini.
umngani wakhe bese baya kobhalisa angingandela ukuthi anikwazi ukuthi nengane inohlala nona ozani la ekhaya ahamba nengane ezincane njalo hamba ubusuku behamba sengingayazi ngiyamsiza ngihleli nengane zakhe
ayikho into emsiza yena wena ubele umshado wakho sifanje awulive ayikho into emsiza yena ayikho into emsiza yona
mina I don't agree
ayikho into emsiza yona ayikho into emsiza yona
mina ngiyakhetha
you grandstanding but you grandstanding what you're doing is you grandstanding on this situation. I don't know you from about so I've never met you.
Wena wazoka umuntu emhlabeni
No. How is it that you have the best interest more than the mother?
How
You don't have the you have engaged, you have called to this house a father that has never been ever paid a single cent of school fees that I've been mina
ngimlizile
ufunanda
yabhema wathi ngazokunyela lokho
Ngisho ukuthi awugwinye lokwazi. Ngisho ukuthi
look. Okay, this is a bit too personal for me. Ukuthi uzokhuluma ngendaba zokuthi indoda yala ekhaya
maybe not so much because I think they put it on their show ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe had an absent dad.
Yeah, but that has nothing to do with you.
No, I think iTimer, I'm assuming here, I think iTimer lonkosikazi liyayikhosana lento lena. So into ayishoyo ukuthi he's been absent your whole life so uzovuma manje ukuthi angene phakathi kwethu.
Yeah, but that has nothing to do with you still.
Kanjani? Umshado wami lo, hey, this is my bitch right now. Ungenaphi? Ufuna kunokumkhulisa la, uzomtshela ukuthi akhethe kanjani indoda, wazusijwayela ngabo. Wazusijwayela ngabo.
ufunanda
ala ikwami
he's never showed up.
mina enginemvume yokuvumela
Yabona mina nginengane mihlawuliwe zonke.
Jesus.
Mihlawuli zenza lisiko zonke. Yes. Zonke. Angimkweleti inkomo lo mama.
Felix.
Ngimbesile ngaze ngikhehla. Lo baba ukhuluma ngaye akaza hlawule nesent zonke ingane including le akaza ihlawule. Wena usumbiza noma ninkosazi wakhe. Yes, unkosazi wakhe. Unkosazi wakhe lo.
babizwe mina
Who was the best friend? Who was a best friend and slept with indoda uzomfaka la endlini azokhuluma indaba zomuzi wami. Illegitimate
ubizwe yimina
people.
ubizwe yimina Ngibavelaphi.
Okay. You allow them here. You're calling me to a meeting with illegitimate people.
Inkinga wena ufuna senze izinto ngephase yakho.
No, so I can't have a Christmas. I can't have a Christmas with my own family. Because you say,
Nokuvimbile.
why no bimbili?
Ngikuvimbele.
Ufike nje uzolindingane la. Ufike uzolindingane la.
Wena nje ukuthi uyikhulumela into ngokuthanda.
Cabanga uzoba iphoyisa lendiya. Awuzwa nokuthi kuthiwa. Awazi ukuthi ukuze bani ushiftise bani. Ucwayeza kaningi nje.
Owabona uqala
Ucwayeza kaningi nje.
have you ever watched like a French movie?
Ubukela iTelemundo.
Ziyawa lana ulindi action baqeda yini ukukhuluma
Amsho ucawa ukuthi akamshayi ngani. Akamshayi.
ngisebenze
Ngibona ngathi uthi ngezani.
Nakwakho ngoba ujwayele la ukukhuluma khona ukuthi uphikise. Ugcina wena. Awufuni ukuthi umuntu akutshela ama-facts. Awufuni ukulazi iqiniso.
You do the same for your children. You do the same for your children. You will do the same for all your children. What I'm doing today, here, you will do the same. In fact, you will do worse for your children. I'm just doing whatever I can for my kids.
Yo, we need to go cook for Christmas, bruh.
In fact, I came to claim my wife also.
Okay. Mr. Philip?
Yazi benginyamalele kancane
inkosi ngamtshela ukuthi
Ayike.
I don't know, man. Dog, it's an insane thing because dog must probably decide to come, but there's nothing I can do. Angeke ngikwazi ukugijimisa because uzahambele.
Yeah.
The idea ukuthi ngiyobe ngidumisa imoto ngishisa upetrol wonke ngilandane nawe buya.
Yeah, but my only issue is that mohamba nezingane. Because izingane ihlala la.
Mina ngizokuya ngithi zithathe. Angifune kufonelwa ungangithinti inkosi yami ungangithinti. Angithi ezakho. Umuntu ufana beshoke denza abakha ngithi ungangifonile. It's one of the two. Yeah, but kids is a sensitive thing. That's why I think in a divorce the most important thing I'll keep is the kids and the house.
All the money.
If I have the kids in the house, I'm grand.
Anyways, yeah, that was Felix Klopp. Hey.